Okay, so now you've practiced with the phonics cards, which are free for download. And you've also practiced with the phonics sheet. And this is just one activity. I have another activity available for download too, and probably way more after this video. The next sheet is a simple exercise where children just basically circled the letter. It says circle the matching letter. Try to say the sound when you circle. So show the kids first, put a big version of this on the board and say, okay, here we go. Everybody, what is this called? And they'll say, apple. What is this? Ball. Okay, cat, dog, so on and so forth. Okay, so now you will explain to them like, okay, now we're going to do a worksheet. So what you have to do is you have to look for this. What sound does this make again? Apple. Very good. Okay, so now can you circle it? I'm going to try and circle. Here we go. Here I found one. Apple. Very good. Can I find another? Oh, here's another one. Apple. So you can do that for each of the letters of the alphabet. So I have these available in uppercase and lowercase. Here is the lowercase, and you'll notice the lowercase use different phonics words. These phonics cards are also available from the website. There'll be way more materials on the site if this video has been up a long time, so go there, check it out, download it for free. Oh, and one last thing is if you have laminated these, they are reusable. So you can make them into activities for the kids. So let me know if this is okay, test it out in your classroom. Tell me if these are too many letters or too few. Give me suggestions in the comments, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. www.flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Okay, thanks again.